If Chrome keeps crashing with error code 5, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so that you can get your browser working again. This error is often linked to memory issues, corrupted cache, extensions, hardware acceleration, or even running the wrong version of Chrome. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get started. First, try the quickest solution. Hard refresh the page and close any heavy tabs you don't need. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces Chrome to reload the page without using the local cache, which can help if the page got stuck while loading broken data. Next, close any other tabs you aren't actively using. Each tab uses memory in the background, and if your computer is already low on RAM, that can trigger error code 5. Once you've reduced the load, go back to the problem tab and check if it opens normally. If the issue is still there, the next fix is to clear corrupted site cache and cookies. Sometimes Chrome is trying to combine a new version of a website with old broken files stored on your computer, and that can cause the page to loop until it crashes. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. In the Clear Browsing Data window, set the time range to all time. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data, and once it finishes, restart your browser completely. This step often solves stubborn website errors very quickly. Now let's test whether an extension is causing the problem. Open an Incognito window by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac. Then visit the same webpage that showed error code 5. If the page works in incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions is interfering with the site. To find the culprit, click the three dots in the top right corner, hover over extensions, and select Manage Extensions. From there, turn off your extensions one by one, testing the page each time until you find the one causing the issue. Common offenders are old ad blockers, script blockers, and page customization tools. If the browser still fails, turn off hardware acceleration. This setting can sometimes conflict with your graphics processor, especially on older systems or when Chrome is rendering heavy animations or large images. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then choose Settings. On the left side, click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available or Use Hardware Acceleration when available and switch it off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting applied. Many users find this immediately stops the error. Next, make sure you are using 64-bit Chrome. A 32-bit version can be more limited with memory and may be more likely to run into crash issues. Click the three dots again, hover over Help, and click About Google Chrome. Chrome will show you the version details on that page. Look carefully and confirm that it says 64-bit. If it says 32-bit, uninstall it and install the 64-bit version instead. That small change can make a big difference in stability. So to recap, if you're getting Chrome error code 5, start by hard refreshing the page and closing unused tabs, then clear cache and cookies, test in incognito mode, disable suspicious extensions, turn off hardware acceleration, and finally verify you're on 64-bit Chrome. These fixes cover the most common causes and should get you back online fast. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides just like this. And if you still have problems after trying these steps, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.